Hello and welcome to the Thursday live stream. This is the channel where we build and maintain open source and free to use applications, and recently we are focusing on the Shikigami application. And today is the day that I would like to release it and make it public for you. I am looking forward for your feedback, for your thoughts on it. Please consider joining our Discord server where we're gonna share how to use it, how to use Cloud Code. That's the default model that we're gonna support from today. But as you can see also there is a guy right here. He's working on bringing the GPT model to our code base to add support for it. And this is the final review. I've already tested it. I will share it with you in a minute, how it looks, how you can switch between Cloud and Codex. It's pretty easy. We've extended a bit the add an agent session dialog. Let's take a look at it. So this is the application that is running in the dev mode. And this is how it looks. So we have an agent and model section. This is a new thing, and you can switch between Codex and Cloud, and then you can choose which model would you like to use. But this is not in production yet. The last final review with some adjustments. This is in progress. Let's take a look at our board. So this is the state. We have a few things to verify in manual verification, especially the MySQL integration. This is what we're gonna check. And 2 bugs, a few things in the to-do list. We're gonna take care of that as well. And the 2 important things for today. First, let's take a look at the project homepage. How it looks. So it is 4 hours. We're not gonna wait that long. I can tell you that. So that's the first thing for today. Make it public. I'm curious about your thoughts on it. I'm waiting for your feedback. So please share it. You can do it via the Discord server. There is already a dedicated channel. Please consider joining and letting me know how it works, because, and this is very important, this isn't a VC-baked product. This is not something that was built by a huge corporation or something like that. This is a free product. We built it here. I've started some time ago, and then I started sharing during live streams how it is built, and we built it together. And I don't spy on you. I don't care how you use Shikigami, how your agent works. This isn't something that is my concern. So what it means, there is no telemetry that will, every time you run the application, that will collect logs or something. So if there is a bug, you should see a notification. If this is an exception that is handled by the application, then you should see a notification in the bottom right corner But if this is something that is unexpected and will cause an application to crash, then you should see a slightly different view, because the session grid or the editor will be gone, and then you will see a message with a stack trace of the error, some details, and then you can copy it and you can share it with me in the Shikigami bugs channel on our Discord server. So please keep that in mind. I don't care how you use it. I am not spying on you. This is a project built for free by me, by us, and I am very, very eager to learn. If you like it, if you don't like it, then why and what can be improved. So again, what is Shikigami? The Shikigami is the application that allows you to run multiple agent sessions, Cloud Code, and in a few minutes, maybe today, later, if the GPT feature final review will be done, then I'm gonna deploy as well the newest version, the next version, because now it is 0.19. Maybe it's gonna be 0.20 today, later. We will see. So Cloud Code, this is something that we support now. And then this is the editor area where you can jump into the code, take a look at it, maybe code manually, and also you can run a terminal session if you want, like here. And what is new as well, this is still in progress, but you can already use it, or you will use it if you want. Once we allow you to download the installer. This is the databases area. This is a new thing we've recently added. Last session and the session before that, we worked on this feature, and that's how it looks. So you can define a connection to a database. Then you can save the connection with authentication credentials. You can preview tables, and you can as well take a look what those tables is. Let me run Docker so we can verify it together. Okay, so the database will be up and running in a few seconds. So one more time. So this is the database feature. You can as well run your queries, your custom queries, if it is necessary. If you want to run more complex MySQL queries, or you are looking only for a subset of those data that you have in your database, then this is available for you as well. Okay, so we have the database up, but we are still waiting for fixtures. Let's give it a few more minutes. Sorry, seconds. It's not gonna take that long. Okay, and that's how it looks, yeah? This is a basic first iteration, first implementation of this integration. But anyway, it is here, it's for you and for us, because I am using Shikigami every day at work. There are still a few things that I would like to add, especially in the editor area. It should be more advanced, definitely, than it is now. But we will do it slowly. Every step, every day a small step. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So it's not it is a run, but it is a marathon. So iterative approach, and we're gonna every day, every session, we're gonna add something new to Shikigami. We're gonna fix bugs, and then finally you will let me know if this is maybe your next IDE that you will choose, and if you like it. If you don't like it, then as well I would like to hear it. But okay, no more talking. We don't have much time. It is hot today. It's hard to focus, so let's go. So let's move MySQL tasks into the done column. The updater, I am moving it into done as well. You can let me know once you download the application if you see updates, notifications about updates. So you should see it. So you should see two things. Whenever there is an update released to production, then you will see a in-app notification down here, down in the bottom right corner, and as well next to the gear in the top right corner. Then as well there will be a small label with information that there is a new version available for you and you can download it. So the download will happen in the background. Once this is done, it's gonna transition into the restart button. You click restart and the application will be updated for you. It will ask you about saving before restarting, about saving workspaces and the state of those workspaces, but please keep in mind it's always better to postpone the restart until you are ready. Okay, so that was the updater. Codex is in progress. Yeah, let's move the monthly limit issue to the in planning, and maybe as well the recent workspaces, and as well the improvement for the branch selector. So let's start 3 new sessions for these 3 things. And thank you for joining. It's nice to have you here. Let me know if this is as well as hot in your place as it is here where I am. Okay, so regarding the monthly limit, yesterday I hit a limit and unfortunately the session was stopped. It was recognized as an agent failure. So we have to improve that. We should first, I believe, we should have an option to allow users to hide the overlay or remove the overlay. So this is what we're gonna add, an option to remove it and then decide by users what they want to do. And I also have a copy of a message that was presented in the editor. So first thing to do is to give it a prompt. We have to improve handling for monthly limit hit during a session, because that fires an overlay with an error, and there is no way to decide if I want to wait until the limit reset or if I will upgrade my plan. Yeah, so that's the first thing. And I would like to add a small X button in the top right corner of the agent failed modal, and that should dismiss the modal and the overlay and allows users to further interact with an agent. And there is one more thing. If we can detect it, because I will share with you a message that I received, if we can detect that this is the monthly or the rate limit hit, let's switch the agent back again into the online state. Okay, so that guy is working. Now let's add a recent workspaces to the new workspace model. So now this is the on the top there is a workspace tabs area. Currently I have only one, but you can add more of them, of course. And it would be nice to have a list between the button sections and inputs. If we could render a list of last 5 workspaces or last 4 workspaces that were used in Shikigami to speed up switching between workspaces and a process of starting a new workspace, sessions or code editing. I want to add an option to show a list of recent workspaces that were used in Shikigami. The component should be rendered between input area and the buttons section. But let's start from designing the list and designing a change in the model. I want you to run a localhost server and show me a few examples how we can design the list. Okay, so that is the third thing, and now the last one. This is an improvement for the branch selector. So the branch selector is below the workspaces tabs area. Once you click on it, you can choose a branch. It means once you click on it, you will switch to that branch. I don't really like the design. This was the basic design just for the beginning. So now what I would like to add are buttons for pulling and pushing changes, the search input, and as well I would like to remove that part from the very bottom. I don't like it. The behavior should be a little different. So once you click, no wait, sorry. Let me take a look at the task, because I prepared a list of changes before. Okay, so that is how that's the description. Okay, so the desired design is so the top is the search input and the fetch button. Fetch means the refreshing the git state. Yeah, then pull changes, push changes, then divider, and a white button to create a new branch from the current branch. Okay, good. Okay, so we're gonna start as usual. Opus 1 million. The effort is high. One agent and a dedicated work tree for the branch selector improvement. Okay, so the workspaces list agent, the recent workspaces list, asked if you would like to have a list of directories or a list of workspaces as well. For simplicity and just to move faster, I've choose the recent directories. So it means once you click on it, it's gonna open a workspace for you, like a new workspace, the same way as you click on the open project button. Let's keep it simple, so only the folder name for now. You can always improve it, and I would like to hear from you what you like about Shikigami and every feature that we work on today and during the next sessions. All these things we can change, all these things can be modified once you as well start using Shikigami, and if of course you share your feedback on the Discord channel. There are two channels actually. One is Shikigami and the other one is the Shikigami bugs. Feel free to share your thoughts in the Shikigami channel, and the Shikigami bugs is specifically for unexpected issues and exceptions that you face. Okay, so let's give a prompt to the branch selector. I would like to improve the branch selector component. First, I would like you to remove the create branch input and the plus button that is next to it. So that line, that row, please remove because I don't like it. And then on the top of this component, so above the list of branches, we should present a search input. And next to the search input that will take the whole available space, then the next to it should be a fetch button. And the fetch button, you can just, you don't have to put a label on this button, you can just put, sorry, okay, let me continue. Okay, so it doesn't have to put a label on this button. I want you to show an icon button. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then I want you to put a divider, a visual divider, and then next section will be two buttons, two white buttons with a text. One is a pull changes, the other one should be push changes. And I want you to put a text button with an icon. So two of them. Okay, so that is done. Okay, then another divider, and then will be a section with a white button for creating a new branch. Once I click on it, a new model should be opened where I can put a name of this new branch that I would like to create from the existing branch that I am on. Okay, then another divider, and then there is a list of branches that are available in this repository. And also what I want you to do is to make it resizable if this is not already. Okay, and I'm gonna share the picture of the component, the screenshot. Yeah, reminder, you can drag and drop screenshots. You don't have to every time and always put them into your clipboard. You can as well drag and drop them. So the area that I've marked is the section that I would like you to remove. And okay, we can start from brainstorming on the design. Before we proceed, I want you to first spin up a localhost server and design 3 examples of this component. Okay, and we have a localhost server for the workspaces list. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now let me make it bigger for you. Okay, so the first one is very basic. By the way, you can let me know what you think if any of this is looks as you would like to have it. Okay, maybe the last one because it's the most consistent with the rest, or the first one. Okay, maybe the first one. because that one matches the most with the rest of the design. I liked colors, but then these colors should as well match workspaces if we want to bring them back to life. So for example, you worked on a workspace, then you close it. So, and it means that we should also save the state of a card. Yeah, we don't do that now. Because as you can see in the top left corner, it might be difficult for you to see, but please trust me, there is so the color of the card is red and there is an emoji attached. You can change it. You can choose which one you want. You can also change the color, but we don't save that state now. So maybe for keeping it simple, let's choose the terminal recents version, the first version of it. So my expectation is that you click on it and then the workspace will be opened for you. Okay, I'm choosing the option A, and please let me know if there is a need to create a spec, or we can skip the spec phase and go to writing the implementation plan. Okay, and the first agent that was working on the GPT model is support. Finished its work. Let's verify it. Okay, let's run it, because I checked that earlier before the live stream, and there was one thing that I really wanted to improve, and that is saving session UUID. Because let's imagine that you would like to pause your work, so you can do it with Claude. And the same thing should be available for, the same functionality should be available for Codex. But the handling for session IDs is a bit different, so let's verify it now. So I'm gonna open the Who is Out of Office project, and then I want to run Codex agents. Yeah, maybe 4, why not? And okay, let's now verify. So this is 1, and this is 4. Say 4, say 3, and the second one will do nothing. Okay, so now let's pause the fourth one. But no resumable session was captured. Okay. Not good. Okay, so it doesn't work. Maybe this isn't even possible. Let me check if there is an error. Ah, okay. There are errors. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I've pasted the error to the agent that's working on it. Let's give it some time. Maybe it will figure out what is the missing piece or what is the issue. And let's switch to the second one, so the monthly limit notification. There is a spec. So now, based on that, we're gonna prepare the implementation plan, and we're gonna as well call sub-agents to review it. Okay, so now I want you to prepare an implementation plan, and then I want you to run 2 sub-agents to verify that plan, especially the code aspect of it and the architecture that you've proposed. Okay, and now the next step with the recent workspaces list, and the question is if we would like what behavior we want to have once a user click on a list item, and of course I want it to be opened immediately. Then the order, yeah, it doesn't matter that much at this point. We can always switch it. And the selector improvement, okay, there are mockups. Let's take a look. And by the way, some time ago we've added a functionality to detect if a path that is part of a content inside a terminal session, if this is an URL or if this is a path within your project. And you can open it, the URL or preview of a file, but please remember, so to do so on Mac, you have to click the command button, and then you can click on a detected path, and I believe then maybe for Linux that could be a control button. So then the model will be opened for you with a confirmation if you really want to open it, and then in this case we know that address and we can trust it. Okay, and this is the design. Let me make it bigger for you. So 3 options. And okay, I like all of them, but maybe the one in the middle I like the most. If you are here and if you would like to share your opinion, then please go ahead. The chat is yours, and please let me know. I don't like this button in the first option, and the second and the third option, that the new branch button is filled. It doesn't have to be, I guess. It's too aggressive, at least from my perspective. Sorry, there is a question. Let me read it, sorry. So the scroll doesn't match the dark theme. Well, let's switch to Shikigami. Let's take a look how it looks. Yeah, this yes, you are right. You are right. But you are right. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the comment. Thank you. Let's switch here to a light mode. How it looks now. Okay, it matches. Well, I think the scroll bar will match what we have currently in the selector. This could be just an artifact because of presenting mockups via HTML, and maybe something is missing in the CSS. Yeah, thank you. Well, once this is ready for the final review, I'm gonna take a closer look if the scroll bar is fine or not. But one more thing. So I like B, but I would like to have these labels as well. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna choose. Where is this agent? Branch selector improvement, yeah, this one. Okay, I like the option B, but I would like you to extend the option B with labels that you've added to the option C. Please refresh the mockups and show me the updated version of the B selector. No, so the limit will be 5, and yeah, you can keep the current order. And you can stick to the parent directory text. Okay, so this is how it looks. So the option B with additional labels, and I like it. But you know what? No, the last thing. So number of commits. Okay, this is good, but the last thing to add will be number of commits that we are about to push or pull. Okay guys, and it's almost 8 p.m, so now it's the time. I will do something in the background, and let's take a look. Okay, so all agents are busy. I'm gonna mute for a second. Okay, no, okay. Let me take a, okay, so this is the last look on the design for the branch selector improvement. Yeah, we're gonna stick to the option B. And by the way, on the very bottom there is a modal for the new for creating a new branch. Okay, it's awesome. Yeah. Okay, B is fine. So now please proceed and prepare the spec, and then after preparing a spec we're gonna write an implementation plan. Okay guys, please give me 1-2 minutes. I have to grab some fresh water. Okay, and I am here back again. Okay, what is the situation? So the recent workspaces, okay, there is a spec. Okay, good. So now I want you to prepare an implementation plan and please run code review and then architecture review against that plan. Thank you. Okay, good. Now I want you to proceed with a plan and then review that plan from the code review perspective and the architecture perspective as well. Okay, so the last few minutes, last few hours of for the great release, the public beta for you will be available soon. And let me remind you, so this is the state where we have fully operating Claude integration. You can resume, you can stop, you can suspend sessions, you can have multiple agents working either on the same root directory or maybe in a dedicated work tree if you want, of course. And then Git integration, you can switch. We are now working on the improvement for it. Will be available soon for you. And then the editor area, this is the thing that we're gonna focus on in next sessions, because that requires for sure a more advanced support for PHP, JavaScript, and TypeScript, especially if you like from time to time jump into the code and code by yourself with the help from agent or an agent or agents. Let's take a look at them. Okay, they are all busy. Okay, good. Okay guys, and we have it. I've muted myself because I wanted to run the pipeline for you. So this is it. There are two buttons. The application is officially available for you. The version, it's the same version that I am on right now, that I'm using 0.19, and the new features are in progress. You're gonna see them soon. Thank you very much. Yeah, sorry for the delay. I wanted to show you to share it with you sooner, but I had a small issue with the deployment of the homepage of the project. So it is live. Yeah, let me make it bigger for you. So now you can see it. If you are a Mac user, then please click on the arrow and then choose if you have an Intel-based system or the Apple Silicon. And if you are a Ubuntu user, thank you very much. If you are a Ubuntu user, then please click on Linux. This is the app image. If you are curious why this is the app image version, because I wanted to ship for Linux-based systems the seamless updates as well. For macOS, it's easier. It's the DMG version. For Linux, there are different options, but the app image was the one that works well with Electron and the Electron updater. So I hope you can manage the app image package and you can install it. Then, if you scroll down a bit, there is a bug reports welcome link. Please click on it. Please let me know on the Discord server. So once you click on it, this is an invitation to our Discord server, and there is a channel Shikigami bugs. I hope there won't be that much of them, but of course, if they will be, then we're gonna take care of fixing those bugs during our live streams. Yeah. And I'm also curious, what do you think about Shikigami? If you like it, what you like. If you don't like, then please let me know what, because we are here to make it better, and we are here to make it, if this is my wish. Of course, I have a 9-to-5 commitment, I don't have that much time, but anyway, that is my wish, to make it the best Agentic IDE in 2026 for you for free. But of course, I need you for that as well. So please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know what are your impressions about Shikigami. And yeah, I'm gonna have 2 days off. So most likely, if it's not gonna be as hot as forecast says, then we're gonna meet again on Sunday. I'm gonna give you update about the things that we are working here, and if there is a new version available for you. And many thanks to all people that were involved in this process throughout the time. This is the 19th episode, 19th live stream today. So the next one will be 20. Thank you to all subscribers. Thank you for your likes. And of course, if you have thoughts, please share them in the comment section or in the chat now or during the next live stream. Thank you. Okay, but let's get back to work. So the monthly limit notification that I've seen yesterday, it unfortunately crashed my session, and I don't want that to happen to you. So this is ready for the implementation, a fix for it. Okay, good. I want you to now run sub-agent driven implementation, and I want you to run code review after a milestone, not after each task. Please keep that in mind. And then once all is ready, I want you to run final code review and architecture review. Yeah, that's what I want you to do. Okay, and sorry guys, I think I have to finish because it was a busy day as usual, because I have a regular job and 9 to 5 commitment. So I already worked today and it is pretty hot outside and inside my apartment. We are experiencing heavy heat waves, and the next 3 days will be difficult, so please allow me to finish for now today. These agents, they gonna work in the background. I'm gonna take a look at them for the next hour or two, and then most likely, if all goes well, we're gonna meet again on Sunday. Till that happens, please give the application a try. Please let me know how it works. If you experience any issues, then please join the Discord server, and there is a dedicated channel for Shikigami bugs. If you see any, please let me know. There should be an option to copy the error, and as well, if this is an error that we can handle, then you should see a notification in the bottom right corner. You can click on the notification to see details, and then if this is a heavier issue, then the whole application will crash, unfortunately, and then there is a more detailed message that you can as well share in the Shikigami bugs channel, and then from there I will take it. I'm gonna create an issue for that, and we're gonna fix it as soon as possible, of course. Okay, so it looks like the GPT integration is available to review it manually, so I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do that off stream. So thank you for today, one more time. Thank you for joining. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and see you next time. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.